Dear friends, welcome to my channel Raja Hindustani for Magzu's winning numbers prediction for 7th August 2021. This time the prediction method what I am going to give, the shortlisted numbers, predicted numbers in 3 groups, set numbers and predicted 6 numbers. So please friends, subscribe my channel Raja Hindustani, and also I convey my thanks to my viewers and my subscribers. Here I given the predicted 29 shortlisted numbers. You can see here all the numbers are highlighted from 1 to 49 numbers. Among the 1 to 49 numbers, I highlighted all 29 numbers. And also I written below here, among these 29 numbers, I given highlighted, underlined by red. These are the numbers seem to be powerful numbers. So if you like, you can choose these numbers and can make your own set of 6 numbers. And also, dear friends, you keenly go through each and every number, because these all the numbers selected by analyzing the previous results, their positions, everything. So when you are making set of numbers, you please choose as you like and make the set of 6 numbers. Now we'll come to a point. So number 2, the predicted numbers in 3 groups. We made it to group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay. This group 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17, 19, 20, 22, 25, 34, 38, 44. Group 2, 3, 9, 11, 26, 2, 23, 28, 30, 36, 37, 42, 31. Group 3, number 13, 15, 16, 21, 18, 32, 35, 46, 45. So here what you have to do, my dear friends, from each group, you can select either one number or 2 numbers or 3 numbers or more. Then you combine together, make a set of 6 numbers. See, last time the previous result, this 31st July result have come 20, 23, 28, 35, 43, 44. Okay. So last time what I given this group, you can see here, group 1, 28 have come. And group 2, you can see clearly 20 you can see. And group 3, 23, 43, 44. So total 5 numbers have come. So if you would have understand my prediction method and keenly go through all these selected numbers, okay, from each group as you like, whatever you feel, if you select the right numbers and making the 6 set of numbers, surely you'd have won. No problem. This time you go through it, because again I am telling you, these 4, 7, 8, 10, 17, 19, 20, 22, 25, 34, 38, 44, all these numbers, after going through all the previous results, according to their positions, the characteristics, everything, then only we are putting the final predicted numbers like in this group. So you can choose from this. So shortly I can say that all the 6 numbers have to come only from these numbers. Okay. So you see, I have got it last time 20, 23, 23, 35, 43, 44, 28. These all 5 numbers were in my group. But some of my friends picked only 3 numbers, they got it. Okay. So this time, you please, because this time you have the double chance like 2 million for 5 numbers. 2 million dirhams. I hope you all will win. If you go through this prediction method, selecting very simple way, you can select 1 or 2 or 3 from each group and combine like that. Okay. For example, now I selected here 1925, one group, then 930, then 1835. Okay. So what I selected here, it is here. You can see. Okay. Now, the predicted winning numbers I have given here, all the 6 numbers. If you want, you can take it. you can play, or else you can take some numbers from these 6 numbers and some of your own likeness number, you join together, make your own set. Now let me tell. 9, 8, 9, 18, 19, 25, 30, 35. 9, 10, 19, 20, 25, 30. 9, 15, 18, 19, 20, 45. 4, 7, 15, 17, 25, 44. 4, 15, 19, 25, 30, 44. 7, 8, 28, 37, 45, 46. 8, 18, 22, 28, 42, 45. 8, 9, 25, 26, 28, 45. 7, 8, 9, 28, 29, 42. Okay? In all these numbers I selected. I'm going to play also. So if you want some of these numbers you can take and play, or else you can leave it. And also here I given some set numbers. Okay? The same one I have written here. You see here. 4, 7, 8, 28. 11, 13, 15, 25. 16, 17, 19, 20. 20, 22, 25, 26. 32, 35, 36, 46. 13, 14, 20, 21. 9, 10, 34, 36. 19, 20, 25, 30. 4, 7, 8, 22. This all highlighted, underlined by red, or the very important numbers. You can go through it. And final, I predicted this number, you please note it down. Okay? See, 1, 2, 9, 10, 19, 20. 2, 9, 10, 19, 20, 21. Here, this 2 is a Powerball number here. Actually, see, the shortlisted, I didn't give 2. I kept separate these 2. So, there are chances for 5 numbers. The 6th number always missing. No one is getting the 6th number. Maybe this time I am predicting is related with number 2. Okay? So I hope you all understand, and surely I hope you will win. I am wishing you all best of luck. Thanking you so much, and please introduce and share my channel to your friends, and please subscribe my channel. I need your support to get progress. Thanking you so much.